Hi folks, I just want to show you a quick trick with your stretchy wrap to make it more safe and more comfortable. Now loads of people come to us saying their stretchy wrap just doesn't feel right, or their baby doesn't feel secure, they have to hold on to their baby, or they feel that their wrap gets looser over time as they're wearing it through the day. This shouldn't happen if you've done your stretchy wrap up tight enough. So this is how people start off by putting it on, and normally would carry on putting the wrap on like this, but don't. You've got to make all of this really tight before you get your wrap on. The trick is to reach behind your back, grab hold of these two shoulder straps and pull it away from your body, forwards and down. Look at all that looseness. Now this is the difference between your wrap feeling supportive and safe for your baby or not. So make sure you get rid of all that looseness, and this band here should feel really tight around your ribs. Then carry on, and now you've got a really genuinely supportive stretchy wrap. Make sure this knot is really tight, and you shouldn't have much more than that much space between the front of your chest and the wrap, and then carry on.